Hello my friends, I have another abstract background for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, you go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop abstract background number 13, just like this. Connect to the media out, wait few seconds to render, and then you will get the background. Let's delete this one and ungroup. As you can see here, it's fairly simple. You will get this one. This is the first node for another thing that you want to add if you wish. And next one here, you will see this is the background, blue background. Next one here, as you can see, this is the sun rays, if you can call it like this. And I made this only with a rectangle. A rectangle go inside the background like this, and you will see if I change it, change the corner radius is only square, and if you go corner radius all the way to 1, now you will get the circle. And this will go inside the merge. In this merge here, I just adjusted a little bit, moved to the on the y-axis a little bit to 0.53, and then it will go inside the duplicate, and this duplicate will stack more of these backgrounds, and another duplicate, it will rotate all the way to 360 degrees when you click on the merge, and you will get the background with sun rays. And this, as you can see, in this duplicate you can increase or decrease the amount. For example, I put a 16 and go in the angle 360 divided by 16, and now you will get much less sun rays. And then if you wish to change, as you can see here, if I change the width a little bit, then it's just like these small lines. Okay, now we will go all the way back, and then the last one is just the background with a gradient. Obviously you can change for, I don't know, you can change to the white, and then you will get the white circle inside like a sun. I like the orange, and I will keep the orange, and this is it basically. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.